to run nothing.
I bet you that won't even.
Huh?
I bet that won't even be down Monday yet. Well,
Oh, hell no. When will we be working Monday? Hey, come here. If you're my back doors, I'll get a picture. I'll send it to Lynn.
I ain't got my teeth left.
I didn't want you to smile.
That's right, you don't smile around here. We got water in the building.
Yeah. Yeah, I was down here last night, Abe. There's about an inch or so on the floor.
Is there?
Yes, it's on.
You should have stepped in the basement yesterday and put in my belly button.
How are you managing it at home?
Shit, I'm grounded.
You can't shit. Unless you shit in the cup.
Yeah, for shit, yeah.
You can't flush it, can you?
Did?
These don't work.
No, mine did this morning.
Yeah.
Didn't
These
think
don't,
it did because I really filled her up.
these don't work at all. They stopped working yesterday at noon.
Open the door and let the water out.
There's like no water out in here. Coming in, Billy?
Boat's on, Dave. I'll save your ass.
Oh, shit. Last night it wasn't in here.
I'd like to place an order for a house.
Good
much?
boy.
How much water is in here, Bill?
Punch me out. You gonna get some beer?
Huh?
You gonna get some beer?
Better. Yeah, I bet you I don't eat enough money yet either.
Chances are we won't. What the hell are they running a damn pump down there for? You tell me what the hell they're running a pump for. Change oil in our trucks.
Can't even get to 'em.
You're gonna get a copy of this so you can run it on your kerosene TV?